Every outlet in my house is in a terrible position. They tick me off every day. Whether I'm in bed, on the couch, or in my office, they all suck. But here's how I fixed them with Socket to Me outlet extenders. So a lot of homes and apartments were built way before we had all these gadgets that needed a place to be charged. Ease of access and comfort were a necessity back then. That's why you have that annoying outlet behind the couch. A lot of outlets are just slapped into a house to make it easier for the builders. There's very little thought into how they'll actually be used. That's why I'm rolling out of bed every night just to get to my phone. Electricians charge a fortune to relocate outlets. That's why no one ever gets it done. Even in a home office, the outlets are at the wrong height, so you can't power your gadgets. It's a mess. That's why Socket to Me fixes that problem.